I've done it. I've made a cloak, an invisibility cloak, also known as a green screen. I was at the Goodwill today and I saw this pillowcase, Mainstays standard queen pillowcase, and it was in the shade of green that caught my attention because it looked an awful lot like a nice chroma green. So I have an app on my phone called Video Toolbox for editing video, and it also has a little chroma key option. It lets you preview green screen or blue screen. I think it even does red. But I brought that in with a little video clip, tested it out in the store, and sure enough, it worked. Now it's a small preview window, and I don't have the paid version, so I couldn't export it to really look at it, but it was close enough. So brought it home, and I thought I'd make a little green screen frame out of PVC pipe. Let me show you how it's done. Woo! 1/2-inch PVC pipe, schedule 40. You could also use a picture frame if you had something large enough that would fit, or just build your own out of wood. Now this pillowcase looked like it needed a little bit of ironing, so I go ahead and iron it, and I used some starch just to make it a little bit more rigid. Now the cool thing about this frame, it can work with any pillowcase. Right now this is set up for a green screen, but you could put a white pillowcase that you can pick up at the Dollar Tree, and that is your instant bounce board, or even a little sun filter or light filter. So we have our PVC pillowcase chroma key screen, and I want to test it out. Now this first sample we're looking at here is shot on my iPhone. I was curious just to see what the resolution would look like. This was shot with the Filmic Pro app, and you can take a look here and see how well it keys just using an iPhone. All right, so there's that. Let's try it with the G85 and get some high resolution green screen just to make sure this thing is the right color. Now, if you want legit green screen, chroma key effect, you're probably going to want to purchase an actual true colored fabric. And there's lots of places that sell it. I'll put a link in the description for one of the places that I think offers a really nice green screen. So there it is, the PVC pillowcase green screen. If you're interested in seeing more stuff like this, be sure to subscribe and click the like button if you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Knoptop. Go make something. Alrighty. In case anyone's interested in what it looks like when you knock one of these fluorescent lights over by accident, this is what it looks like. You ready? We're gonna go in. Let's go in. That's what it looks like. That doesn't look too safe. Here's the broken ones, and the other ones kind of popped out of their socket. Oh boy.